Hello everyone. In the continuation of our previous interview question video, we are back with Salesforce Data Scientist interview. In this video, we will talk about the complete interview process of Salesforce and what question can come in your interview. So before this, here are the few details about DataMonk. In DataMonk, we help students to prepare different type of topic in different domains. Now let's get back to our Salesforce process. So to know more about the interview process, we connected with one of the person who got selected as Salesforce data scientist recently. So as you all know, Salesforce is multinational cloud-based software company. The profile offered by Salesforce was data scientist. Location was Gurugram, India, and experience criteria was 3 years and above. The compensation offered by this role was one of the best in the industries. So in total, there were 5 rounds for the interview process. The first round was a technical interview round based on coding fundamentals and some machine learning concept. The second round was a domain interview round based on questions about project and SQL. The third round was also a technical interview round with most of the questions on probability, statistic, and model complexities. The fourth round was again an interview round but on case studies. And the last round was a hiring manager round with some personal and cultural fit questions. Now we will look into detail for each round. So for the first round, it was a long technical interview round. Most of the question for this round was around programming skills. The duration for this round was around 2 to 3 hours. In this round, few question I remember was like, we have a collection of already tokenized text and we have to print the inverse frequency of each text. Or another question was like to calculate the jacket similarity between two sets. Hint was given in this question like what is jacket similarity. One more question I remember was on binary tree to check whether it is a binary tree or not. We have to write function for this code. So you can also prepare some questions on linked list array for this round as it can come. The mode of interview was hangout and the difficulty level would fall in easy criteria. Basically this round was to find out whether you can visualize and write the code or not. After clearing this round, there was another round which was based on SQL queries and our project. The duration for this round was around 60 minutes. In our project, there was brief discussion about the project mentioned in your resume. Like if you have mentioned some machine learning project, then it can be on definition for the terms like R square, accuracy and all that. And in SQL, the question asked were like, we were given a schema of database and were asked to write SQL queries to extract certain information. It was like we have a schema of two table, ads and event. And the queries asked were like, find out all the active campaign or number of event per each ad and many more like this type only. The mode for this round was again Hangout and the difficulty level should fall in easy to medium. After clearing this round, there was another technical interview round, which revolved around probability, statistic, and model complexity. The duration for this round was around 2 hours, and some of the questions asked in interview was like, we have to find minimum number of coins required for given amount with a given set of coins. It was a aptitude question. And for data handling question, they were like, if you have huge volume of data, how would you extract some small data in a clever way? There was some question on machine learning also, like we have to tell them assumption and violation of k-means clustering, or how can you define decision tree multivariable regression or PCA. So to clear this round, your basic should be strong. Again, mode of interview was hangout and the difficulty level was in medium to hard. After this round, there was a case study round in which we were given some info and asked how would you apply it. The duration for this round was around 120 minutes, and some of the case studies how you would build our classifier to predict the outcome of IPL games in real time. And I solved it by assuming that I have data of each particular player and their teams. Another case study asked was like in e-commerce sector, what metrics to look for and about funnel analysis. The mode for this round was again Hangout and the difficulty level was in medium. After clearing this round, there was last round, which was hiring manager round. In this round, Mainly question was introductory or on personal experience. Duration for this round was 1 hour and mode was on phone call. Some of the questions for this round were like, tell me about yourself or your time management, like how you manage your projects or why do you want to join Salesforce. It was like particular type of questions asked in HR rounds. The duration for whole process took around 1 to 2 weeks, and after clearing all the 5 rounds, we will receive the offer letter. And now, if you want to look into each questions in detail, then you can visit our website www.thedatamonk.com. That's all about the Salesforce interview process. Now, if you want to know more about any particular interview or want to understand what type of question asked in particular domain or in particular type of company, then you can visit our website. We also have a set of question bank or article that will help you to ace any type of interviews. Thank you. Hope you like the video. For more interview type of question, do like and share the video.